What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Saturday. It is my overtime day. I am currently gonna go run to the junkyard. I wanted to actually, let me show you guys. So what I like to do at the junkyard is pretty much sometimes I don't go there to buy stuff, I go there to learn. I don't know how to remove the center console and take the shift knob off because I wanted to do the Celica shift handle. So I'm going to the junkyard just to go learn how to do that, take it apart, take my time and figure it out. And then I can install the Celica shifter. So if I see something, of course I'm gonna buy it, but I just gotta go there to learn. And they also have a new XB that was posted like a couple days ago. So I kind of want to get over there and check it out, see what they have on there. So that's the main reason. So just warming up the car, and then I'm gonna park my work truck into the spot, and then I'm heading over there right now. So I'll see you guys when I get to the yard. All right. Okay, swap. Or K. It's a bunch of K24s too, but I came up on a trunk back mat. Now I got one. Hell yeah. I'll clean this today. Looking, I just see everything is all original. From last time I've been here, I don't see nothing new. I'm gonna try to keep hunting down these Scions. Can't find nothing. Alright, we're back from Johnny's. Just want to give a big thank you and shout out to my buddy Johnny. He's the one that gave me the oil catch can. I just gotta play with the bracket and think of something. I was gonna use the 240 battery tie down. See if I can hook it here, trim this, and I was gonna run it to this piece right here. Hold on, let me, you know what, let's go use this. Where's it at? Where's my pointer? There we go. Make it easy. So, if you guys look right there, camera for you guys, but there is a bracket here with a hole. I was thinking maybe if I bolt something here to hold it up, then I can have the oil catch can sit here, run it to the PCV valve that's back there, and then to the manifold that goes over there. So that's what I'm gonna think of setting it somewhere in here. It'd be probably a bitch to empty, but at least I have that open spot because of this custom intake. And then parts that I got from the junkyard. We got this billet grill, and I don't think it is for an XV. It has a shape, but it's just a little bit too long. It came with these brackets here. I was like, I can figure out something for this. Maybe I'll use it when I get my body kit. I can use it for the bottom grill. And then I got 2 of the gas doors. So these ones are always breaking on XVs. So I figured I'll get these, throw them on Facebook Market, sell them for like $6 each. So I know it's like brand new, it's like 14, 15 bucks at the dealer. Got this, I have no idea why. I just thought it was cool. It was in one of the XBs. I was like, throw it in my son's XB for the hell of it. Then I got a net. I was cleaning out my bag, organizing, and I found this in the trunk. and it is an OEM Honda. So I was like, oh, I'll probably throw this in my dad's Honda Accord. So then he has that. And the cool thing that I've been wanting is this. So I'm gonna go and use the Rug Doctor, which is right there. I want to clean this tonight. I'm just chill in the garage and clean. Still got 2 wheels, 2 more to go. But yeah, so I got the bolts, those 2 bolts. They go on the valve cover. He was missing it, so I got him there for him now. So he got all 4. This engine bay is stupid clean. It is super clean. Yeah. And then I took off the grill and gave it to him. I was like, his is going to be all JDM TRD BB car, and we'll be putting a body kit on the front. So we'll have to learn how to wrap body kit. But yeah, so that's what his is going to look like. I'm going VIP. He's going to go TRD. And yeah, so I can't wait to get the trade done with my homie with the Spoon Sport. And he got hella parts. I'm sorry, bro, but you're going to have hella parts at your house. You're going to be hoarding, because I was. So once you get that, I'll be getting some dope ass XB stuff. And like I said, I'm trying to get things ready and prepared because I want to go to Toyota Fest next year. And I want the Scion to be pretty dope. So that's the goal with that. But yeah, let me get cleaning, and simple, easy video today. So I'm just gonna figure out how the hell, because this ain't look like it's for it. Thought it was, but it's like a little bit too long. It's hitting the headlights on the sides just barely. And I mean, I would love to get that there, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So maybe when I get my body kit, I'll use this as the bottom grill. So I'm gonna grab the other grill and start working on that, because I'm gonna make the OEM grill. I gotta sand it. I'm gonna drill slots in it for some what's it called? I got marketplace people got hitting me up for the Lexus. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably put this one aside, hang it up, and then work on the other grill, sand it, paint it, and then pop that on. And want to make sure it's breathable because it has the vents closed off. So, all right, y'all, I'm gonna get this going. I'm getting tired. I'm trying to just keep going because I only have tomorrow off, and I want to enjoy as much time as I have that I don't have time. So, all right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow and I'll finish those wheels. So, all right, y'all, peace.